How to disable your YouTube Shorts option permanently. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about how to disable YouTube Shorts option permanently. So if you're also annoyed with all of the YouTube Shorts, then what you need to do is just head over to your profile section from the bottom right corner and just tap on this top right corner that is settings gear icon just like this. And once you're inside here, simply scroll all the way down until you see the option that is manage all history. So just tap on that. And once you tap on that, just head over to your controls section over here. And once you're inside here, finally tap on this turn off button over here to successfully turn off or pause the YouTube history. And once you do all of that, you can just head over to your history section and just tap on this delete button and just delete all time just like this. And simply press on delete once again. And just click on continue or got it. And just head back to YouTube. And whenever you try to head over to your short section, you should no longer see any short section because YouTube hasn't recommended or started recommending you with the all sort of shorts videos. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.